India was handed over the presidency of the G20 at the closing session of the G20 summit in Bali today. India will officially assume the G20 presidency from 1st of next month. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar today said that the reputation of the Controller and Audit General of India at the global level is well recognized as a robust auditing organization. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated today the 3-day Bengaluru Tech Summit through a video message. Modi said, "In India, technology is a force of equality and empowerment, and the youth are being connected with the information superhighway." India and France today review cooperation in defense, civil nuclear, trade, investment, and new areas of economic engagement. The United Kingdom government has given approval for 3,000 visas for young professionals from India to work in the country each year.